your vegan friend, Johanna Earthly Ramos, back with another video. Today is day 3 of my water fast, and this is the first day I feel human enough to do a video for y'all. That's not what this video is about though, so if you're looking for that video footage, you're gonna have to wait for it. I'm doing this one first. So be sure that you have subscribed to this channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of the amazing content that I have in store for you. Today, we are gonna talk about 10 teas for better health. Where my tea drinkers at? You love hot tea? I love hot tea. Absolutely.
I love hot tea now.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, I love hot tea. Hey.
I wasn't sure if all that beauty was wanting to be on camera today. Y'all so lucky. So he loves hot tea too. So we're going to talk about 10 teas for better health. I'm actually headed to my favorite local health food store here in Foley, Alabama. It's A Better Way. I have been going to A Better Way for at least 10 years. Whenever I need things for my natural hair care journey or for my vegan journey. So we're going to go today and look at the different teas, and I'm going to give you the rundown of what each tea has in terms of benefits for your body and why you should incorporate it into your healthy natural living goals. Y'all ready? Sound good? Let's go. Before we get started, let me be clear that I am not promoting any of these tea brands. What I want for you to get from this video is the importance that tea has to your health goals. When you choose the teas that are best for you, reach out to your local small business tea doctors. I'm definitely going to list some of my favorites in the description box, so check it out. Let's start with 7 caffeine-free tea options. If caffeine gives you the jitters, these are the 7 teas you want to look at. Also, if you saw my last vlog, I almost broke my husband with caffeine. So check that out after you watch this video. It'll be up in the cards in the description box below. First up, we have hibiscus tea. This tea is not just another pretty face. It contains a high source of vitamin C, improves your ability to manage stress, and stimulates detoxification. It also has been proven to lower blood pressure as well as cholesterol. Did I mention it's pretty? Y'all, I don't know, but when I put pretty things into my body, it makes me feel beautiful and strong. This is easily my second favorite herbal tea. Next up, we have rooibos tea. It is also known as red bush tea. It helps control allergies and fight colds because it's high in vitamins and minerals. It's also known to be effective in treating nervous tension, stress, and insomnia. My favorite, ginger tea. This tea supports the immune system. It is the best tea for cold and flu. It's also amazing for pain management. It supports better digestion, reduces symptoms of allergies, and just invigorates the entire body. How many times have y'all seen me on this channel slice up some fresh ginger root and throw it in a pot of boiling water? I know. That's because ginger root tea is bae. Next up is chamomile tea. This tea promotes restful sleep, regulates your blood sugar, calms your nerves, and improves liver function. Nettle leaf tea is a good source of iron, calcium, and silica. It assists your body in destroying parasites, supports your kidneys and adrenal health, supports your hair and follicle health, and helps your body build up a defense to pollen and dust allergies. Fennel seed tea also helps to clean the kidneys and prevents anemia for both men and women. Specifically for women, this tea will help regulate the menstrual cycle and increases the secretion of milk in nursing mothers. Next up is raspberry leaf tea, and it is something special. It also helps to regulate the menstrual cycle, promotes a healthy uterus, aids in fertility, and calms morning sickness. Now let's get into a few varying levels of caffeinated teas. That's right, I didn't forget about those of you that say, I'm all for the health benefits, but I'm gonna need a little boost also. Let's start with white tea. It is only 1% caffeine per serving, has a high source of antioxidants, promotes healthy skin and improves your complexion, and promotes detoxification of the body while hydrating the body. I couldn't find a specifically white tea alone, but you know you can never go wrong with pineapple being added. If you haven't seen the video where I gave you an amazing recipe for pineapple tea or pineapple water, I'll link that above in the cards and down below. Oolong tea is 10 to 15% caffeine. It is also excellent for skin and your complexion, naturally increases antioxidant levels in your body, and also stimulates fat burning by helping your metabolic rate. Is that still not enough caffeine? Okay, for my nitro caffeine gotta have it people out there, there is mate tea. It is 100% caffeine. It is a stimulant that's similar to coffee without the jitters or the addictive tendencies. It's also a natural appetite suppressant, a proven energizer, and it is loaded with minerals and vitamins. And that rounds out our 10 teas for better health. Bonus tea. If you're looking for a tea that tastes like coffee, is caffeine-free, and promotes liver health, check out roasted dandelion tea. I'm not done with the water fast. I'm not going to tell you how many days I'm going to do. Who wants to guess? You want to guess how many days? Don't cheat. Don't come back here and comment on this video after I've released that video next week or so. Go down in the comments right now. Click that like button on this video and go ahead and guess in the comments how many days of a water fast you think I'm going to do.